Alright, so it's after Halloween. If I'm screaming, I'm sorry. I have on ear protection. I can't hear.
Yeah, if I'm yelling, well, you know. Alright, so these pumpkins, they've been looking terribly sad on the porch.
Yeah, usually we just let them rot on the porch.
Yeah, till they just fall apart.
Till they just fall apart and make a mess, and it's disgusting.
So today we're going to take them out of their misery.
We'll take them out of their misery.
Alright, first off, I'm tired of seeing those apples sitting around the house. Nobody eats healthy around here, so I'm going to Glockify those things.
Are you going to be able to?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Oh, that was sad, bro.
Oh no.
I think you hit it the first time. Just set it back up there and go again.
It's gone.
It's gonna be gone now, huh? It's not.
I'm sucking today.
What is wrong with you? It's been a while. It's been a while. We'll say that. Oh, look at that. You carved him some new eyes.
Right between the eyes.
I saw that. Carved some new eyes.
That's enough glocking for now.
Yeah, you just might as well take them on out. That apple's still kind of halfway existing there. Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Is this gonna blow this chair up? Should I get back? This should do it. This should do the trick. There's like pumpkin juice raining down everywhere.
Alright, so let's be a little more efficient.
Such as? 2 on 1. There you go. Look at those pumpkins. They're like halfway rotted already. Ugh. Ugh.
Yeah, that one.
He was sad.
It's about to be over.
You're gonna try to... Don't hit the apple. He needs to be up in there. Yeah, there you go. Whoa. You knocked him over?
That's way too much fun. We got one more.
That's way too much fun. Yeah, do one more. I wanted to shoot one though.
Okay.
Actually, no, I'm just kidding. I mean, I kind of do, but there's always some pain involved in shooting a shotgun. Some rearrangement, y'all. Oh, look, there's your Georgia voter sticker. Hashtag hope everybody voted. Especially since our election is probably going to be a runoff. It's kind of messy right now in Georgia.
Let's work that bottom one with the rifle a time or two more.
Yeah, but if you hit the bottom one first, then the top one's going to go. You love it, don't you? You think it's epic. Oh, whoops, sorry. Like floating off into Never Land down here. All right. Yes! Oh, whoa! Did you see that? You're like, I'm just gonna pull out my Glock. And you're out.
That one don't want to give it up.
No, he's tired. You need to turn him to the side. Maybe. The pumpkin guts raining everywhere is great. Just think if they hadn't have been hollow.
All right.
And like just had the lids cut off.
This is my last round.
All right. Light her up. Wow. You done?
That's it.
All done. Oh, look at that. Casey's still smoking. Some smoke on the casing. Are you done with that one too? Empty?
We're all clear.
All clear. All right. Oh, you shot the arm of the Gerald. My candles! My candles were in there. You didn't take my candles out, bro.
Well, that one still looks good.
Whoa, look at the apple. Look at the... Ooh. Look at that. It's gross. It's grody. I love it. Look at how its insides look so... It's like spaghetti squash. We could have cooked these things and eaten them.
Right, we can stop yelling now.
Oh, sorry.
All right, well,
I'll take.
I'd say the pumpkins have been taken care of.
They did it. All right.